In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV Excel file into HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned HubSpot user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through every step of the process to make importing your data straightforward and seamless. To begin, you'll first need to open HubSpot and ensure you're logged into your account. It's crucial to have access to your HubSpot dashboard so we can proceed with the importing process without any interruptions. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide. Now, you might be wondering why the trial guide is important here. This is the place where you can find all the resources you'll need to get your form building process off to a strong start. It's like your one-stop shop for all initial setup materials. With that checked off the list, head over to your homepage. Here, you'll see an option labeled CRM. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the CRM section, look for the Segment Lists option and give that a click as well. This will bring up various functionalities around list management and segmentation, vital for maintaining an organized contact database. Next, you should see an option for Import. Click on Import, and it should present you with a further option labeled Import Data. Select that option, and you'll be taken to a new screen, your launching pad for bringing your data into HubSpot. This is where the real action happens. Now click Start Import. At this point, HubSpot will ask you to specify the kind of data you'd like to import. It's important to choose the correct data type as this ensures that your import aligns well with HubSpot's database. Once you've made your choice, click Next. On the subsequent screen, you'll see an option that says Choose a File. Click it, and a file selector should open on your computer. Select the correct file, the CSV Excel file that you want to bring into HubSpot. After you've uploaded your file, HubSpot will prompt you to map out the columns. This step is absolutely critical. You'll need to align each column from your CSV file with the appropriate HubSpot fields. Why is this important? Well, ensuring each bit of data goes into its correct place will result in a clean, organized import. Trust me, this bit of preparation pays dividends later on. Once everything is lined up correctly, click Next. You'll be redirected to enter a few final details, wrapping up the process, and that's it. You're all set to start using your newly imported data effectively within HubSpot. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide insightful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more tutorials and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about HubSpot or data management.